Getting ready to reskin this extra Camaro door I've got. It's got some rust I'm gonna have to fix on the bottom, but it's still in better shape than my door. It's currently on my car. But I have brand new skins. So I'm gonna walk you through how to go about removing these. The first step is to get you a flap disc or a grinder or something like this. I'm gonna grind carefully along the edge here. As you see, this is just kind of folded over. Grind along the edge, and it's gonna break it free. And then I'll have to chisel off the lip that's still on there. In the top, I believe I haven't checked these ones yet. I gotta pull this weather stripping off, but I believe there should be some spot welds possibly. I don't know, I have to look at this one. The first thing I'm gonna do is grind these off. Anytime you're messing with grinders or anything, please use safety glasses, please. Or any kind of power tool that's spinning, sparky, grindy. It's for your best interest. The disc, actually, the threads of it actually just broke off inside of there, so that's why I wear safety glasses. They might just blow up in your face. Got a new disc, but it's a different style. Alright, we just need to figure out the top section now and go from there. So it looks to me like the top of this skin just has these little tack welds. Normally they're like folded around and they have like spot welds or something, but so I think I can just go and I might be able to break these with a punch and a chisel. I'm gonna try that first before I go cutting it. So, be right back. Okay, that took absolutely forever. Alright, skin is loose. So now we can flip the door over. did forget to disconnect the door handle though. All right, door skinned. Let's take a look. Yeah, got some cleaning up to do. The mighty flap disc reveals all truths. The rest of it looks pretty good. Got a little guy right here. This side's all good. This is the worst of it right here. And then this corner. That's probably actually the worst of it, but second worst. It's alright, we'll get it fixed up.